We have a workshop space here that we created just for workshops. It will accommodate easily 25 students. Each have their own large table or easel. The lighting's perfect. We have an overhead TV where you can see what the instructor's doing. It's just a great room.
I'd say to me it's got to be the best environment. I've been to some other workshops at odds and ends, different places, around the country, but nothing, is as great of an environment for learning in, and your workspace and the lighting, everything about it is just absolutely perfect for taking classes here. There's nothing better.
It's a dream facility to teach in. If you could just invent the perfect workshop room. This room is designed just for workshops, and it's just a dream come true.
The studio is wonderful. The lighting is very good. Having access to supplies as you need them is wonderful.
Look at the room. We hold about 20 people in here. Everybody has their own table, plenty of beautiful lighting. The view out here of the mountains is spectacular.
The other local workshops I've gone to, it's been hard to see what the artist is doing during demonstrations. With this big, huge, wonderful TV screen focused right on what the artist is doing, everyone can see. And very clear, very nice, beautiful space.
As a guest instructor, I feel honored to be here, and I feel really lucky to be working in this facility. It's one of the nicest ones ever.
This is the Cadillac of workshops, because the camaraderie that you find here, and not just from the instructor, but from all the people and the staff at Winna, is like the gold card.
I'm loving it. The seminar is wonderful. The people here are fabulous. The lunches they provided are just unbelievable. They're accommodating. I mean, anything and everything you would think that you want or you need, or anything that you could come up with. They are so accommodating.
Not only do you get a wonderful workshop when you come, but the people here are like the salt of the earth. They're just so kind. Any need that I would have, they take care of.
One of the really neat things is there's a store next door. So if you forget something, I remember as I was leaving, I was packing for the workshop, and I usually have to remember everything and take way too much. So I thought, I know I don't have to remember everything. There's a store next door. If I forget something, I can get it.
So I love the fact that the art supplies are right here on the other side of the wall, and on this side we get to paint all day long. And they bring the lunches in, we don't have to go anywhere. Just spectacular people. It's one of my top favorite places to throw paint around, and they keep inviting me back, and I don't know why.
If it is your first time and you're coming to a workshop and you're not as literate in art as you could be, that's my first endeavor as a result of the advice that I've had sitting next to my sister, and then with the instructor, I've been able to accomplish that.
It has spoiled me. I came here 2 years ago as a guest instructor, and I just didn't want to teach anywhere else after that. So that's how much it impressed me.
It's first class. They do everything for you. And I've been surprised. You come in every morning and there's a little gift, a little something for you to try out, a little product that I guess Joe thought you might enjoy.
And on top of that, I do something every day that the workshops are taking place that none of the students know about. I come in there about 5 in the morning and I spray that whole room with creative juices. It works.
You won't find another place like this. It's one of a kind, as is Joe Miller.
But it's not an environment that it's like a very commercial attitude. It's an educational one where he wants to share what he's had the opportunity to use all those years, and he's made the environment available to do that.
You feel it's a personal sharing.
Our whole facility will welcome you here, and you're in one of the most beautiful places in the whole world. Boone, North Carolina is situated here in the high mountains of North Carolina. Wonderful scenery. We have mountain streams. We have trout fishing and golf galore. So there's plenty for the spouse to do, and you're just going to have the most fun.
Oh my gosh, we have so much fun every day. It is just so much fun. 4 o'clock comes and you think you've only been here.
Where did the time go?
Yeah, it's just, I can't wait to come back tomorrow.